my battery's not the same size. I've actually been wanting to buy this quite a while, and another purchase from the Crazy Store, because you guys know I am obsessed with everything they sell. Anyway, so this is called a 3D drawing board. It is meant for ages 3 and up. It includes 4 markers, 1 cloth, a pair of 3D glasses, 6 drawing patterns, and a LED light. And it needs 4 AAA batteries, not included, so I had to buy these separate. So I'm very excited to see how this is going to turn out. So let's have a look. There we go. Okay, so that box is empty. So this was 179 Rand and 99 cents. Cool. Put that one side. So here we've got the LED lights, and we've got the 3D glasses. We've got the markers and the different drawing patterns. We've got a cloth, and then this is supposed to be translucent. What the hell? Okay, I wonder if this video is gonna end up in the nailed or failed section. Oh my word, really? Okay, so it looks like you need to tear off the brown paper. They've got on here. That might take a while, guys. Whew. Finally, translucent and very messy. So what I saw, if you take it on the one corner and just pull it off all at once, you will save yourself 20 minutes. But this is me we are talking about. Anyway, so there we go. We've got that. We've got this. Here we've got the 4 different markers, which is a blue, green, pink, and orange. And then we've got the 3D glasses. Oh yeah, and this is the cloth, by the way. Nice baby blue color. And then we've got the glasses. Jeez. Okay, yeah. These are taking me back to the 90s. Most definitely. Anyway, let's get the markers out. There we go. Got the 4 markers right there. Got the light. Okay, it didn't come with any instructions, but I think it's straightforward. I think. So we've got the fish, got the shark, another fish. What's this? I think it's a jellyfish. And a turtle, and we've got Sebastian right there, and we've got a whale. So now, from what I'm assuming, you need to take one of these and trace it onto this translucent piece of plastic. So I'm gonna do the shark. Okay, so we could take our pink marker and then basically just trace whatever pattern you choose. Oh, that looks awesome. I like that. And what I like about this, so all the colors that they use on these prints are the colors that they gave you. So that's definitely a thumbs up. Okay, so I've used the green, blue, pink, and orange. And there's the shark, and this is what I did while using that. So now comes the fun part. It is the light. Okay, so there is a little battery compartment here at the back. Well, it's showing you need 4 AAA batteries, but this one takes 2. Okay. Let's see what happens. My battery's not the same size. Okay, I'll be right back. FYI, the batteries was more expensive than this whole kit. A little bit ridiculous, but yes, you will need 4 batteries. But I got them, so now we are supposed to slide that in and then switch it on. Oh, that's pretty, man. How cool is that? I'm so sorry for the ring light. So off, on, and now for the glasses. It actually it is 3D. It looks flippin' awesome. Oh wow, guys, I'm seriously impressed by this. I think this is really awesome to buy for your kids. Okay, and this is the cloth. So when you're done, you just kind of like wipe the whole thing off. But they said you need to dampen the cloth, you know, wipe it off, and then you start all over again. But I think this is, I do approve of this product. Yes. Thank you, Crazy Saw. You guys always have the best DIYs. And for a change, this is not gonna go in the failed section. Can you believe it? Wow, yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I will see you in the next one.